What's up guys? In today's video I'm going to explain you and I'm going to show you how to create candles from a MetaTrader 5 file which has all this information. First of all, as I said in previous videos, MetaTrader 5 allows you and gives you a lot of information about any market. So for example, we are here in this market, the Euro USD dollar, and what we can do is that we can go here to symbols, then we click on ticks, and then we take all the ticks that have been done in this day, between these dates. So for example, we have the 30th of September and the 2. So if we click here on ask for that, we have all the ticks, and if we click here to export that, we will create a .csv file with all that information. So now what we can do is that having all that information here, what we want to do is to change this into candles. Why? Because sometimes this may not be useful. Why? Because having the ticks isn't what we want, because every time we are trading or whatever, we don't usually take the ticks. What we take are the, for example, this is the close, this is the open, this is the low, this is the high, etc. We'll look at those things. So we want to have those things in Python. We want to have those things in Python and not the ticks, because in this candle there may have been a lot of ticks, and we just want the information in this candle. So what I do is that I transform that information in this file. So in this file we have a candle class and a function that transforms that. This is in GitHub. You can go here, you can check it, you can change it. If you think this is wrong, you can change it. If you think this is right, you can use it for yourself, whatever. But what I want you to know is that you have it here in GitHub, and you can use it however you want. And once we know that this is in GitHub, what I want to show you is that, for example, like how to use it. So the class data, we don't really need it, but for example, this is the data frame that MetaTrader gives us. As you can see, for example, we have the bid, the ask, but sometimes in the ask, there isn't the information that we want, or sometimes in the bid. So I already checked that, and I already fixed that in this function, and you don't have to worry about that. So, in order to use the candle data frame that I created, you just have to import the file and then use the function. And the arguments that the function take are the first one, the name of the file in which you have all the ticks, and then the time frame in which you want to have the candles. You have to know that you have to give this in seconds. Otherwise, you have to give this in seconds. If you just put here 15, the function thinks that you want to use a time frame of 15 seconds. But no, put 15 by 60 because this is 15 minutes. So now this is the look. This is how the data frame of the candles look. And yeah, this is it. So as you can see, it is very useful, and you can use it for free and take it or whatever. Another thing that I want to show you is to show you the plot. Here you have the plot, and yeah, this video is going to be very short because I just wanted to show you that, and I just wanted to tell you that I'm not going to explain this file because you have it in GitHub and you can check it, but basically what I do is that I iterate through all this information, and I just take the values depending on if we have this one, if we don't, etc. You can look it by yourself, but this is very simple. You just have to know that this file returns this data frame. So, if you enjoyed the video, and if you understood how to use this file and how to create candles, give it a like, share, subscribe, and subscribe, because now we are going to talk about the technical analysis library, which is very useful because now that we have this column of close, we can create indicators such as MACD, such as whatever. So this is very useful because we have this column, and with this column we can create all those indicators. So if you like the video, give it a like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next one.
Estoy bajando todo, lo siento, te quedas en nada. Rest in peace, my pop,